Hi, my name is Dr. Nikhil Oberai and I'm here to speak to you about my Level 3 Mentorship Program. This is an expert level mentorship where we'll be taking you through a journey of very different aspects of dental implants. We'll be going through full arch implants, complex implants, sinus lifts, and also treatment planning sessions. I think treatment planning is so important within dental implants. That's what the key is to get a successful result. So how this works is that you will liaise with my PA and you organize a day to come and spend with me. The days are 10 hours long, so you have the whole day with me. We will be going through my cases in detail, dissecting them so that when you see patients in your practice with a similar problem, you know how to treat them. We'll also be talking about cases that you have ongoing at your practice, and we'll be coming up with treatment plans for them to making sure we get the best outcome possible. You would learn techniques such as suturing, aseptic setup with my staff members, and learning the whole protocol of how to do an assessment and also how to increase your patient acceptance. I look forward to working with you. Drop me a message and it's going to be an amazing journey.